Welcome to my YouTube channel, Physics of Our Universe. The purpose of this video is to see how to download the Gephi in Ubuntu operating system. But before starting for that, I would like to look over the image that is released by the NASA, obtained using his James Webb Telescope. So all you know that this year NASA sent a very big telescope to the outer space for looking, which actually works on infrared spectrum of electromagnetic radiation. So let's look on the image how it looks. So clicking on this, see this image. These are the galaxies. So the whole thousand of galaxies we are able to see on a particular single screen. So this is only possible because of the James Webb Telescope. So how nice is this? How nice is this? So this represent a Stephan Quintet group of galaxies. Okay, so now back to the purpose of this video. So Gephi is an open source network analysis and visualization software package written in Java. So Java is a programming language and it was written using IDE NetBeans. So IDE is a interactive development environment, which is actually a very interactive environment for writing codes for a particular language. For Java, they have done using NetBeans, and for Python, there are many other IDEs. So different languages have different IDEs, but many IDEs can support different languages. So Gephi is actually a network analysis software. So this is actually being used by the network scientists. So network science is a new field of science. It started in 2000. So let's have a look on network science, what network science is. So network science is a academic field which studies complex networks. Complex networks like telecommunication networks, computer networks, biological networks, cognitive and semantic networks, and social networks. Social networks like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. So in terms of social networks, the pupil or the user is actually a node, and that another user is actually a different node, and the connection between these two nodes is actually an edge. So we can visualize this networks, all these networks, Facebook's networks, if we have data files using this Gephi. So network science is actually a very interdisciplinary field of research. So it's actually a mixture of many other fields like mathematics. So from mathematics it draws graph theory, and from physics it draws statistical mechanics, and data mining and information visualization is obtained from the computer science, and social structure from sociology. So it's very interdisciplinary. It's a combination of many other fields of research. So let's back to downloading Gephi, how to install Gephi in Ubuntu's operating system. So for downloading, just write download Gephi. So you can just click on this link, this gephi.org. So I am actually having Linux, so I will download for my system. This is the version 0.9.6. so I will download this. So actually I have already downloaded, so it's being stored in my download folder. Let's see, downloads. Okay, so actually what I did, actually I transferred my this downloaded file to other folder. So you have to download this, and you can move this download file from in download folder to other folder. So for you have to make a new directory, make dir directory Gephi. So you can make a new directory using this command. So actually I have already made this directory, so you can see this Gephi directory is being here. So I should get out of this directory. To get it out, so I have to write this command cd change directory. So now what I have to do, I have to transfer the downloaded file which is in downloads to my this Gephi directory. So command I will use is make directory, sorry, move. I have to move file now, move. So actually I have already written this command, so you can see here. Yeah, this move this download folder, and this is the downloaded file, and this is the other directory which I have to move, to which I have to move this file. So I will click enter and it will be transferred to my Gephi directory. So we can see change directory to Gephi folder. Now listing all the files and directories in this, we have to use command ls. So we can see this. Now we have to unzip this file. For unzipping, there is a command xzf, and this I just copy this. So for copying, I have to use shift plus control plus copy, and I have to paste. For paste, shift plus control plus v. Now enter. Now let's list. So we can see it is been installed. Gephi has been installed. The version of this Gephi is 0.9.6. So to open this, I will write a command /Gephi (0.9.6). Version is 0.9.6 /win/Gephi. So it's loading. So I will select new project. I don't have a graph file, so I will select new project. To this has been, now this is working. So in the next video I will show how to use this software. Thanks. Bye.